old English words and phrases that only Jamaicans still use.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Shell It Down News. Dr. the Honorable Reverend Johnson. What happened yesterday? Whilst said person ostentatiously disregarded the matter at hand, I had was to authenticate his claims at the appointed time, irregardless of being cordoned off. I tried my endeavor best, as according to procedure, to curtail the manner in which I expeditiously realized that the recompense was either or either, more or less. Pertaining to each and every fortnight, he would be gallivanting to the world at large. And as such, without further ado, everything came to naught. Me glad to see you come back, boy. But Lord, you let me down. Me shame I used to tell all of my proudness drop a ground. You mean you go to America and spend 6 whole months there and come back not a piece better than how you did go, eh? Boy, you no shame. It's time you come after you turn so long. Not even a little language, boy. Not even a little twang. And your sister that work on go 1 week America. She talks so nice now that we have to deduce to understand. Why? You could improve yourself. And you get so much pay. You spend 6 months after it. And you come back ugly same way. Not even a drapes trousers or a parsley rhythm coat. Not even a gold teeth or a gold chain round your throat. Suppose me last me pass and go introduce you to a stranger. Has me lamented son what lately come from America. Them would have laughed at me, boy. Me couldn't tell them so. Them would have said me lie. You was a spend but time mama. Back and no back answer me, boy. You talk too bad. Shut up your mouth. I don't know how your papa go and make it out. If you want please him, make him think you bring back something new. You always call him Pa. This your evening when him comes in, make sure you call him Pooh. Pooh. No bother with that, you know. Good afternoon. Okay, it is common knowledge that Jamaicans can use one word enough different way. We are going to examine the use of the word suddenly. Over to you, Patchy. Thanks, Gloria. The normal way. A car suddenly pulled up. Suddenly the person came out of the vehicle. He suddenly asked me to give them their investment. He suddenly reached and grabbed the investment out of my hands. The Jamaican way. I walk on the road peaceful and I want a business, you know. All of a sudden, one little cartoon draw down against me so baps. And by the time me look for see who in the car. No the one Lensford. I come ask me about him partner draw. So me go so boops now when I try to find the money. And before me could have done take out the money out of my side, in grab the money from me. Emma, at the time me fix up back and go so bam now. Then gone back into the car. And before me quint, then drive off left me on the roadside, ma. Something can really go so. Over to you, Gloria. Oh, thank you so much, Patchy. And all of a sudden, braps, me done. Good afternoon. Welcome to another edition of Guess What They're on the Screen, Jamaican version. Katrina, are you ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Tell us the names of these different stuffed toys. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. Yeah. What kind of cereal are these? Cornflakes. 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 What is the brand of each of these generators? Delco. 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 What a brand again? Delco. Not bad. This not bad. This not bad at all. This can go on. Yeah, bad. Katrina, you didn't like this. Yeah, so nice still. We don't have any winner this evening, but thank you all for tuning in.
How we call animals.
Cassidy, come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Roxy, come here, man. Oh, mongrel dog. Come get the leftovers. Madeline, I have a treat for you. Come here. I wonder if that post kitten thinks I'm ramp with him.
Jamaicans will define a word using the same word or acting out the word instead of just defining it.
If you come from Clarendon and me come from Clarendon, then me and you is Parishina. You spawns it. And the other day, they have to cut off our foot because it ain't full of gangrene. When you spawn something, you spawns it.
Cooperate. Me no know. Yo, Biggs. What cooperate mean? Cooperate mean like, if you ask me to do something, Me say, me I go cooperate. So that mean, when you ask me cooperate with it.
From this finger to this, or any one of them. Meticulous is as though when a person is meticulous. Salad are like when you play a ball. Them salad you. Hierarchy. Practical mean it practical. And then the opposite of that is not practical. One thing you must know about Jamaicans. You see, if we don't know the words to a song, that not gonna stop we. We are gonna sing that song come hell or high water. If I fight, we have to fight. Cause why? Nobody know more than we.
Love at Christmas Day, Christmas Day. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, my father wishes well, and I want and go and stay. Oh, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, my father wishes well, and I want and go and stay. And I want and go and stay. And jingle all the way.
If a Jamaican says, I don't mean to cut you, they mean anything but that.
So the difference between rice and bulgur. I mean for cut you, but you have to pronounce it bulgur. You can't say bulgur, cause you have to talk it so that the people them can understand what you say. So the difference between rice and bulgur.
Lady, me not cut you. Me not really too know the word difference, you know. But me know it as difference. Yeah. That me know it as. Me say if you could have used the word there. So me can understand what you say.
Okay, no problem. So the difference between rice and bulgur. Not to cut you. Ma'am, I want to just know if I could just go to the bathroom. When me I cut you. The difference between rice and bulgur is that bulgur is... No. Ma'am, I'm not cutting you or anything.
Especially when it's followed by, with all due respect.
But with all due respect, I don't think it's necessary for you to be shouting at the elder like that, ma'am. What do Jamaicans mean by the word Bamsn? Sometimes shortened as Bam, often preceded by the word so. Some do so Bamsn, used upon the sudden recognition of a jolting situation. Come back round so now I say Bamsn. See it ya? When an action is critical. So I say, alright, Bamsn. I go down at the street and talk to them. Gives the speaker the space to strategize their next sentence. My youth. Bam. So what is this important word? Is it a simile, hyperbole, alliteration, metaphor, preposition? An onomatopoeia is a word that sounds like what it is describing. Like when Beanie Man said, boof, so the boy slide down the gully. Like when Shabba Rankin said, ling-a-ling-a-ling, dance all in swing. DJ ears cock up when them ear boom rhythm. Boyaka, boyaka after Shabba Rankin. Due to its frequency of usage within fright or flight situations, Bamsn is in fact an onomatopoeia for the sound of strategy.
You should hear little children sing. When them sing, ling-a-ling-a-ling, dance all in swing.
Good afternoon, students. Today we will be discussing the Jamaican anatomy, aka Jamaican body parts. Are you ready? Navel string, heartstring, neck string, ears wall, nose wall, head back, mole, and niggle, morning, leg back, hand, foot, column teeth, yai teeth, toe pint, fingertip, heel back, foot bottom, shank, leg, mouth corner, jaw corner, yai corner, short ribs, constitution, belly bottom, craw, wrong throat.
A Jamaican who's not interested in your idea will end with this sentence.
Yeah, overs? Yeah, real talk, my youth. So what we have to do first, saying, is we have to catch the bird. You understand? So, after we catch the bird now, yeah, we have to spread out one of the bird wing them. So, and then now you have to spread out the t'other bird wing. So you see when you spread out the two bird wing them now, you have the two bird wing and it's set that way there. Yeah, man, you have to put everything now on the wheel. So you see when we put it on the wheel now, as so comes we have the bird mobile. You get what I say? Yeah, man, definitely. A man like you is a visionary, you understand? From birth, you know? And me I say, you will make the thing come to life. So me I say, what you think about that? Well, me link you if anything. And these are the isosceles angles. You have the 60-30 and you have the 45-45. You don't need a T-square to draw that, you know. You can draw a freehand. It's perfect. If you can't work without a T-square, how are you going to manage in life? Huh? The hidden line is a dotted line. You have to be able to do it fast. When time run out, you won't have a second chance. I don't need all of these equipment that you guys use. In the exam, you're doing a drawing and you are unable to find your ruler. What are you going to do? You have to use your freehand. Pick your vanishing point and everything broadens from there. This line is parallel to this line. You don't want to confuse the two. One is 45, 45. You come late to my class. You stay outside. One discussion inside this class. Go outside. Some of you think I don't have anything to do. Center line. It's long, short, long. My son's graduated high school already. And I'm here teaching you guys. I don't have to, but I'm here.
Mr. Watson?
Yes, sir.